Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use PrizePicks, a popular daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to win cash prizes by predicting the performance of their favorite athletes. To get started, first create an account on the PrizePicks website or mobile app by providing basic information such as name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, navigate to the homepage where you will see a list of available sports and athletes to choose from. PrizePicks offers a wide range of sports including football, basketball, baseball, and more. Select the sport you are interested in and browse through the list of available athletes. Next, choose the athletes you want to pick and select the stat you want to predict, such as the number of points or yards they will score. You can choose to pick over or under the projected stat, and the payout will vary based on the difficulty of the pick. After making your picks, review your entry to ensure everything is correct. You can then submit your entry and wait for the results. If your picks are correct, you will win the cash prize, which will be deposited into your account. A key concept to understand when using PrizePicks is the concept of over and under picks. An overpick is when you predict an athlete will exceed the projected stat, while an underpick is when you predict they will fall short. It is essential to research and analyze the athletes and their past performances to make informed picks. Another important concept is the payout structure. PrizePicks offers a tiered payout system, where the payout increases as the difficulty of the pick increases. For example, picking an athlete to score over a high number of points will have a higher payout than picking them to score over a low number of points. To maximize your chances of winning, it is crucial to follow best practices such as researching the athletes and their past performances, staying up to date with the latest news and injuries, and managing your bankroll effectively. It is also essential to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. In conclusion, using PrizePicks is a straightforward process that requires some research and analysis to make informed picks. By following the steps outlined in this guide and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can increase your chances of winning cash prizes and enjoying a fun and exciting daily fantasy sports experience.